Turn any book into an AI business advisor. Now, most business books are going to contain genuinely useful frameworks and insights. But by the way, we consume them, doesn't extract the value effectively. You read a book and find it compelling, absorb maybe 30% of what is actually in it, and 6 months later, you can't remember the key framework well enough to apply them to a specific situation you're dealing with right now. What if, instead of reading a book and hoping the ideas stick, you could have a conversation with it? Ask it proper questions, specific to your current business challenge, have it apply its framework to your actual situation rather than generic examples in the actual chapters. So, get the author's framework applied in real time to a problem that you're dealing with today. That is what this workflow does. Using AI tools, specifically ChatGPT, combined with the text of any business book, you can build a functional AI business advisor that thinks through your problems using that book's framework. So here is how to do it. Now, the technical capability that makes this possible is the large context window of modern AI models. Claude, in particular, can hold an enormous amount of text in its working context, enough to process an entire book and answer questions about it with specific reference to the content. What you're essentially doing is loading the book's content into AI's context, giving it a role. So you can say that you are an advisor who applies the frameworks in this book, and then asking it situational questions that it answers using those frameworks rather than generic AI knowledge. The result is meaningful, different from just asking Claude a business question, because the responses are grounded in a specific thinker's framework rather than in general business advice. This workflow works best with nonfiction business tools that contain clear frameworks, principles, or methodologies. So books like The Lean Startup, Good to Great, The E-Myth, Revisited Traction, or Never Split the Difference. Books that are primarily narrative or anecdotal produce less useful advisors because there are fewer specific frameworks to apply. Now, one of the first steps, in my opinion, is getting the book's content into a format that you can use with AI. There are several approaches to depending on which access you have. Now, if you own the ebook version through Kindle or another platform, many ebooks can be exported or copied for personal use. Check the platform's terms for specific ebooks. But if you have a physical book, services like Google Book or publishers' websites sometimes make substantial portions of the text available. You can literally go over to Google Books, okay? And Google Books is going to allow you to see the different books you have, and they pretty much have it in plain text where you can read books online. Okay, now for books in the public domain, like older business classics, full text is often freely available through Project Gutenberg or similar resources. Now, in this case, over here, I'm going to go ahead and search for The Alchemist. Okay. And once we search for something like this, you can see we have The Alchemist right here. But of course, in some cases, it might not have previews. Okay. So in those cases, you will need to make sure that you can go ahead and find it for yourself on another PDF if you want to really read it. Now, you can get the book, of course, over here, depending on you. But, generally, you can just use Project Gutenberg if you want to. Because Project Gutenberg is also a good place to extract all of your text, because it's a whole digital library that literally has every single ebook totally for free. Now, for newer books where full text access is quite restricted, another approach is using the book's key frameworks rather than the full text. So read the book and extract the core frameworks, models, and principles, and the things you would highlight if you were studying it intensively, and use that extracted content as the basis for your AI advisor. This takes more upfront work, but is legitimate for any book that you have purchased. So let's say over here, we are going to go with Killer by James E. Gunn. Okay, we have this release right here, right? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Claude or ChatGPT and start a new convo. Begin with a system level instruction that establishes the role. Paste the book or text or your extracted framework, then write a setup prompt that tells Claude how to set it up. Now, a setup prompt could be, let's say, the following text is from Killer by James E. Gunn. I want you to act as a business advisor who, let's say, thinks and advises exclusively through the frameworks. Let's go with principles and language of this book. Okay. And you could go with, when I ask you questions about my business, say, answer them by applying specific frameworks from this book to my situation. Okay, and then you can write reference the relevant framework by name when you use it. So you can also say, if a question isn't well addressed by this book's content, say so rather than defaulting to general business advice. Now, this prompt does three important things. It establishes the role completely. It instructs your AI to reference specific frameworks by name, which keeps the advice grounded and traceable back to the source material, and it tells Claude to acknowledge the limits of the framework rather than stretching it to cover everything, which keeps the advice more reliable. So over here, let's say I'm going to go ahead and send it in. And once we send it in, as you can see, you can go ahead. A couple of important boundaries. I don't have the book's content, my relevant responses, etc., etc. So it goes ahead. Now, with your advisor setup, start asking questions about your actual business situation. The quality of what you get back depends on how specific and contextual your questions actually are. And after this, from here on out, you can ask situational questions, build, multi-book advisory boards, and so on. So the AI book advisor workflow doesn't replace reading, but it dramatically extends the value of what you read by making the framework interactive and situation specific. The best business books contain ideas that took their authors years to develop and validate, and this is pretty much how easy and simple it is to do so. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.